What's up everyone? I just purchased some WeatherTech floor mats which are custom made for each vehicle. This is a Mercedes E-Class, and what I'm going to do is replace the floor mats because these are actually the ones I installed that are not custom made. Well, they really suck. Plus, my floor mats, the original from Mercedes, are beige. So anything that I step on it, if I'm carrying dirt on my shoes, well, it's going to dirty those floor mats and I really don't want to, right? And I want something that looks nice. This looks really crappy. It doesn't feel it should be on a Mercedes, for example. But these guys make floor mats for all vehicles. And honestly, I purchased these. I didn't get them free. And if they suck, I'm actually going to say it. And I'm going to install them for the first time. So I'm actually going to see if they fit well on this Mercedes. So let's get them out of the box and put them in. Okay, let's get the first ones in. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, so they clip on well, and I think that they fit well. I thought they would be a little bit more rubbery, which I think is would be a good thing. In this case, they are kind of hard. They're stiff. It's not so rubbery, but I mean, it could be fine. The downside that I'd see, for example, is that since they are so hard, check this out. You kind of hear that because it's not rubbery, okay? The good thing about it is that they're hard and they might last longer. The good thing about it also is that if I spill something, it's gonna stay in here. So if I spill some soda, some water, it's just gonna stay in here. Plus, it covers more surface than a normal mat would do. But like I said, what I dislike is it's too hard and you can hear it. But again, I rather have it be safer and not dirty the original mats, than that. So let's install the next one. Okay, so they are now removed and I put in the new ones. I forgot to mention, these are the cocoa color, which matches with the top interior of my dashboard. There's black and there's also beige, but I thought these would dirty a little bit less. So the back ones, I think they are missing a bit here on covering, so not much coverage there. Over here a little bit also not covering, but still we have that same. If I spill something, it's gonna stay in here and it's not gonna spill outside. So let's put in the front seat driver. Check this out really quickly. These type of floor mats that are not original, one of the things I dislike about it is that when you're on the car, these start sliding up and they go hit the pedal. And then it's kind of hard to accelerate. So these are a really bad idea for these type of cars, okay? So again, let's clip this off and put in the new one. There we go. So custom fitted. You can see that it doesn't hit the accelerator and it's not going to move because it's clipped on right here. So that's a pretty good thing. I like how it's over there. Oh, and a really, really big, important, huge part about this car is that most of the time you rest your foot over here, your left foot. And I wish this was a little bit higher, but at least it's covering something. On the other type of floor mat, it didn't cover anything. So this will get dirty really quickly. So the good thing is that it covers a bit on this side. Let's finish off with the last seat, which is the one from the back. Well, that is it for the WeatherTech floor mats. What I think about it is that I do like that they are custom fitted in a way. They still are missing some pieces of the original floor to cover, you would say. And the thing I really dislike about it is that it's too hard. It should be a little bit more rubbery. I know they probably don't make it as rubbery, so it doesn't tend to unfold or move the form it has already. But I hate that sound. I don't like that sound. I might get used to it. Like I said, this is the first time I'm installing them. And they have these available for every type of car. I might install it on my Jeep, and I might make a video on that. So there you go. That's the video for the weather floor mats. I will be leaving the link in the description just in case you guys want to grab one of these.